In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to manage your Cloudflare account. Whether you're working in a team or need to give someone else access, understanding how to properly set up user management can be a crucial skill. Let's walk through the steps together. First, to get started, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, make sure you select the appropriate Cloudflare account. This is important because you want to be managing users for the whole account, not for individual sites within the account. Once you've selected your account, the next step is to head over to the Members section. You can do this by navigating to Manage Account and then selecting Members from the menu. Here, you'll see an overview of the current members and their roles. Now, to add a new user, you need to click on the Invite button. This will open up a new window where you'll input their details. You can enter one or more email addresses if you're adding multiple users at the same time. Just remember, email addresses should be comma-separated for this method to work seamlessly. Then, you'll have to decide on the scope of access. This scope determines what level of access your new member will have. You have two main options here: account-wide access or zone-scoped access. Once you've determined the appropriate scope, it's time to assign roles. For those using free, pro, and business plans, the roles available are Administrator and Administrator Read-Only. An administrator will have full access but won't be able to handle billing or member management tasks. On the other hand, an Administrator Read-Only can view configurations but cannot make changes. For those on the Enterprise plan, you have additional roles available such as DNS, Firewall, Cache Purge, Workers, and Billing, among others. This added flexibility can be extremely useful for larger organizations that have specialized personnel. After you've assigned the appropriate roles, it's a good practice to review everything to make sure each setting aligns with your intended permissions. Once you're satisfied with your settings, just click on Invite to send the invitation. The invited user will receive an email prompting them to join your Cloudflare account. Now, a quick note for those of you on the Enterprise plan. If the user you're adding already has a Cloudflare account, there's a neat option called Direct Add. This feature allows you to bypass the email invitation process entirely, streamlining the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully added users to manage your Cloudflare account, ensuring that each person has the access they need without compromising the security or integrity of your services. Remember, managing user roles and permissions efficiently can greatly enhance collaboration and maintain security across your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.